Hi guys, Isaiah Ignacio, and today I'm going to be doing a video about or how do you send fan mails to me or to my sister. So the first step we're going to do is you make your mail or your thing you want to give to me and put in the envelope or box or just where did you want to put your mail or the toy. And then you write on your box or where did you put your mail to me or to my sister. So write it in it this words. So this is my address. This is our address. So you got it? And then you send it to a post mail or put it in a mail, and so that's all you need to do. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below. Bye bye.